Ever had your car sputter, stall, or just refuse to start, and you have no clue why? It could be your fuel pump waving a white flag before completely giving out. And trust me, you don't want to be stranded on the side of the road because of this tiny but crucial part. Most people think a failing fuel pump gives no warning, but that's not true. Your car does drop hints. You just have to catch them before they turn into a full-blown disaster. One of the earliest signs is a whining noise from the fuel tank. If you turn on the ignition and hear a high-pitched whine or buzzing sound coming from the back of your car, that's not your car singing. It's your fuel pump struggling to keep up. A healthy fuel pump should operate almost silently, so any unusual noise is a red flag. Another dead giveaway is inconsistent power while driving. Ever pressed on the gas only to feel your car hesitate, jerk, or lose power randomly? That's your engine begging for fuel, but the pump isn't delivering it properly. You might especially notice this on highways or when trying to accelerate quickly. Speaking of acceleration, a struggling fuel pump makes it painfully obvious when your car refuses to speed up like it used to. If you put your foot down and get a sluggish response, or worse, feel like your car is gasping for air, your fuel pump could be to blame. It's supposed to maintain a consistent pressure to supply the right amount of fuel, and when it fails, acceleration becomes a struggle. Another telltale sign? Engine sputtering at high speeds. If your car starts running smoothly and then suddenly sputters or chokes, your fuel pump may not be providing a steady flow of fuel. This can happen more frequently when driving at higher speeds because the engine demands more fuel than the pump can handle. And then there's the dreaded engine stall. If your car randomly shuts off while driving and then starts back up after sitting for a bit, the fuel pump could be overheating. Over time, this gets worse until one day, your car just won't start at all. That's when you know the pump has fully checked out. A failing fuel pump can even cause poor fuel economy. If you notice that you're filling up more often but your driving habits haven't changed, an inefficient fuel pump could be sending too much or too little fuel to the engine, messing up the balance and wasting gas. The worst-case scenario? Your car doesn't start at all. If your engine cranks but won't turn over, a completely dead fuel pump might be preventing fuel from reaching the engine. And at that point, you're looking at a tow truck and a repair bill you probably didn't budget for. Fuel pumps don't last forever, but catching these warning signs early can save you from an unexpected breakdown. Have you ever had a fuel pump fail on you? How did you figure it out? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car-saving tips.